Silver again has got the support at $22 but has achieved the highs at 23.80. Stronger swing, a stronger bullish momentum has been seen after despite the good drop earlier this week. So now what to expect, which position we should take in order to profit? Is it going to continue with this bullish momentum, or we are looking forward to a drop, as the next week is going to be important, as the inflation data from the US and the Fed interest rate hike decision might impact the movement of silver. So which position we should take? Let's see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the strategy and the levels. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily targets for silver, which I share very early in the day with the Asia session. Now see, long back in silver, I had told you that it has created the bottom here. It is, it is trading. It was trading in $18 to $20, and now that it may try to achieve $24, 22, 24 is going to be the next target. It has achieved close to 24 now. So now what to expect? Is it going to hit 26 again? Let's see. And if you look at the charts on the weekly candles here, you will find that this was the support here at $21, and with the support at $21 we had seen a good bullish move last week, and in fact last week it has created a higher support at $22. So yes, it is trying to create a bullish channel, and if you see it trading about $24 next week, you can expect another strong bullish candle, which might in fact take it till towards $24.50 and $25. In fact, $25.50 and $26 are achievable, probably, if not in next few weeks, but in next, probably not in next week, but in next few weeks we may see it achieving those levels. So yes, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The lows and highs are well intact. You can find out now the support for the next week is again at $22 levels. Till the time it trades about $22 and $21 levels, you can expect it to remain increasingly bullish here. Now another observation here is, see the previous highs what we saw on silver. It is trying to trade in this, which also makes $25 levels as the achievable target, which is the highs of this channel. Hence you have to remain cautious here at $25. So 25, 26 is something we will be looking forward to once it sustains about 24. Certainly 24 to 26, this is the block in which it might try to trade for next few weeks. So let's see if it breaches past 24 next week. So this is one observation. Now let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts too, you can see it is trying to trade bullish. At the same time, last week we saw that it is certainly the bullishness is diminished, though higher highs are seen, yet you can find out you can see the highs. It failed to achieve the highs of this channel, but it also keeps open the room for it to sustain the bullish momentum, and for once it will definitely try to breach past $24 levels. That is my expectation, that next week or next to next week, for once it may try to at least achieve $24 levels. Now yes, trying to trade in this channel, the support at least we can see here is $22.40, $22, and then $21. $21 is going to be the maximum support zone as it traded here in this zone with the support at 21. This is going to be again and going to remain again an extremely important support levels. Now if you look at the daily charts more closely, you will find the last three candles after showing you a reversal, it is seen consistently increasingly bullish candles. You can see the body size, it did not show any sign of diminishing bullishness. So once it trades about 23.60 again next week, you can expect $24 to achieve, and in fact 24.20 to get achieved. Beyond that, it may show you very good strong bullish momentum here. But yes, you need to remain cautious, as also this is going to be the channel highs. Achieving those levels at 2400 levels, we may see a reversal or a retracement. Now have a look at the monthly. On the monthly chart, the candle has taken a shape, and it is a bullish shape. It is a bullish candle for the month. Now look at the previous candle. It was almost of the size of $3.50 move, and yes, if it tries to trade bullish from here, and if you consider at least it should achieve $2 to $2.50 of body size, which means that from 22.20, 22.40 levels, it makes it to $24.50, $25 levels. Now $25 is certainly not only be a good going to a stronger resistance level, but it is also be the top of the channel highs. So yes, you have to remain cautious, and in the month of December there is a strong probability for it to achieve $25 levels. One can keep the positions till the time it trades about $22. One can remain bullish in silver. That is my expectation. And for the next week specifically, if you see it trading about 23.60, you can expect a bullish move. First target should be $24, 24.20 levels, and beyond one can remain long for 24.50, 24.80 and 2500 levels, $25 levels, which is going to be a very strong support resistance zone. Now this is with the help of charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting for silver here? And if you look at the indicators, yes, on the daily charts, it was trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, but still increasingly bullish. The next candle, when it appears, I will wait for it, because certainly we may see the bandwidth expanding, or it may give you a bullish breakout and expand the bandwidth such that it can sustain the bullish momentum. At the same time, look at this. It is trading above the 20 period moving average, which is situated at around $22 levels, which is going to be a very strong support zone. And the 50 and 100 period moving average is also crossed over. So yes, it is trading bullish. It is diverging. The 50 and 100 period moving averages are diverging. The 20 and 50 and 100 period moving averages all are diverging, indicating increasing bullishness there. Look at the directional movement. This is divergent bullish. Stochastic looking upwards again. The MACD is divergent and bullish, but look at the MACD. The MACD is trading at the highs, which makes me a bit of cautious. However, see the bullishness here, where it is in fact achieved the 200 levels, and now it is still at plus 50 levels, and hence it still has some little scope for it to continue with the bullish momentum. RSI looking upwards again, you can see since then, but at the same time there is a possibility for it to get the resistance, but still there is a lot much of movement which we can see till the time it comes back to those levels. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, see the 100 period moving average, 20 period moving average curving on the upside, indicating that it may take a bullish cross. The 50 and 100 period are still divergent. Also, this is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. I'll wait for the one single green candle, a strong bullish candle, and the width of the Bollinger Bands will get expanded. But yes, it is getting the resistance on the upside. The 100 weeks average and the top of the Bollinger Bands are pulling it down, and hence you need to remain cautious. Yes, it may give a strong breakout such that if it is bullish, such that it can sustain the bullish momentum for next few weeks, and hence a little swing can be expected. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the weekly chart. That is important, because see these levels on silver now we are seeing after a couple of years. So this was the time only in 2020, 2021 when we have seen such highs, and then we have seen a good drop also on the weekly charts, and hence you need to remain alert here. It is extremely overbought. It can sustain at max one candle, but then the probability of a drop will also increase. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and it is looking upwards. It has the potential for it to continue with the bullish momentum for next few weeks. The RSI is also looking upwards. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, silver trading above the 20, 50, 100 months average, and yes, the top of the Bollinger Bands are far away, $28. Now look at the directional movement has again crossed over for it, and it are divergent and are looking bullish. The stochastic, after trading or sloping bearish for months, now it is looking upwards, entering into overbought levels. And this month in fact it can enter into overbought levels, and this will make the MACD also crossover for a bullish move. So far it was trading bearish for the entire month of 2022, but it appears in the calendar year 2023 we may see the bullish momentum in silver to continue. RSI also looking upwards. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week. So it is very simple. You can buy at 2360 and then expect 2380 as the first target. Then I will expect it to directly attempt and achieve 2420 levels, which is going to be the first and strongest resistance, plus minus few points, few cents. You should always keep as a cushion, but yes, these levels are certainly achievable. Beyond that, it may trade increasingly bullish for 24.50 and $25 levels. Now see, 25 dollar levels are going to be the next strongest resistance zone, which you should be watchful of, $25 and 25.20. It has the potential for it to achieve these levels, but then there could be a little pullback for next week, we can see. But these levels are certainly achievable if it continues to trade bullish from here, and beyond that 25.50 and $26. If not this month, then probably next month it may try to achieve those levels. That is one part to it. Now, where to sell? Let's define the levels to sell. Yes, you can sell at 23.20. Below that, $23 first support, and then below 23 you can expect 22.70 and 22.50 as the next support. Below that you can expect 22.40. See, this zone is very important for silver to sustain, 22.70 to 22.40. Only and only if it breaks below this you can expect 22.20, $22. Now $22 is the extreme support here for the week. 22.40, $22. This should not breach. If it breaches $22, you can say that the bearishness has begun, and then we can expect 21.50 and $21, and below that a good crash. These are markets, anything is possible. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. When you see it trading bullish, just buy at these levels. When you see it trading bearish, just sell at these levels. Sticking to the levels will definitely help you stay profitable, and keep shifting your stop losses to your cost price, and keep shifting your stop losses to the target. For example, let's say you entered at 23.60, it achieves 23.80. Either close here and re-enter again later, or either shift your stop loss to here so that you can at least preserve this much of profits. And yes, once you see it midway, at least shift your stop loss to your entry price so that in case of a reversal your trade closes without any loss. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trading stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.